7:07 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Londontown to near Marlton, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause the mid-arch branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Mayo, Shadyside, Veal, Road River, South River, Londontown, Edgewater, Riva, Galesville, Friendship, Harwood, West River, Tracy's Landing, Lock-In, and David. Storms. Move indoors immediately.
Alright, you need to be on...